Camtasia 2024 Cursor Glow. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys the Cursor Glow feature, and it will be my very first time using it, so you can see my initial reactions. Okay, so I've got my video where I did the Camtasia 2024 overview. If you haven't seen it, you can go ahead and watch that as well. But one of the new features that they provided in the new 2024 Camtasia is this thing called Cursor Glow. Now, I do use the cursor, and you can see on the screen, I usually use the color thing, the color circle, and I do enlarge the cursor because it's usually pretty small. I'm usually doing screencast recordings and moving around on my screen, so that's why I put that on there, so it's easier for my viewer to see. Let's head over to Cursor Effects, and there it is right there, Cursor Glow. I'm gonna drag it down, and let's see how this looks. Dragging it down, adding it, so you can see right off the bat, it's added a green glow, like that neon green glow. Neon green is so in right now. So I'm just going to remove the cursor highlight just so that we can pay attention to the glow. And let's see this here. So I'm also going to enlarge this, and let's just really just crank it and just show you guys what it looks like. Obviously, this is not how big I'm going to have the mouse on the screen. So far, I'm liking it. It's very attention grabbing. Let's see if it looks good in other colors, because sometimes colors only look good when it's that color, right? So I want to see if this is going to look good in purple, because that's our brand colors. And if not, I may use the green because it is very eye-catching as well. But let's see here, purple. Go a little bit darker. Oh yeah, I mean, it's obviously not as bright as the neon green, but still looking cool. I'm liking it. Some other things here, it says show cursor. Let's see what happens. Oh, so you can just have the outline. I think we're gonna need the cursor. I don't think it looks good if it's just like blank like that. So definitely keep that. Intensity is 100, because if we lower the intensity, it's probably not gonna look good. And then the thickness, let's see, we can make it thicker. If we don't like it, we can revert back. It was at 1.0. And then pulse, what's that? Is that like, oh, interesting. So it's going to kind of like go brighter and dimmer and brighter and dimmer to kind of catch attention to people. I'm not sure how I feel about that yet, if it's going to be too distracting for the viewer, but could be cool. And then here you are controlling the speed of the pulse. Interesting. I think it only works well if you choose a color that is vibrant and looks good. And also, you definitely need to scale up the cursor. I believe it's Camtasia 2023 and beyond that you have the ability to scale up the cursor, because usually this is what my cursor would have looked like initially. Look at that thing. Tiny, you can barely see that, right? So in order to have Cursor Glow look good, you need to crank it and you need to scale up your cursor. I'm obviously not going to have it this big, but maybe if I was being real, I'd probably have it like there. And I'm not sure if I would still have the cursor highlight. I don't know yet. I would need to play around, and maybe I would change the cursor highlight to purple as well. I'm not sure. I would need to play around with either, both, but I'm liking it. I think it looks cool. Comes with the new Camtasia 2024. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Are you going to be using it? Let me know down in the comments section below. Hit the thumbs up button if you thought this was cool. And if you want to edit videos like I do, I've edited over 3,000 videos for our channel and for our clients. You guys can head down to the description below. I have a Camtasia course just for you, 10 plus hours of learning. It was recently updated. Again, that's down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.